NAIC annual conference, and this is a very important event because it brings the community of diverse asset managers together.
And we've been very effective, and I think at this conference to date, hearing what's going on in terms of various areas where large limited partners are investing, and we're hearing how the market is receiving strategies that our managers are investing in.
We had some good groups, good panels, a lot of good organizations that have come out to be with us today.
Well, some of the takeaways are that we're excited that as a result of the CIO panel, that several of the CIOs indicated a willingness to help us reach out to their peers that have not had opportunity to engage with NAIC on the question of diversity. And we've also heard from the CIOs that they're very much willing to help us reach out to other trade associations that are in the marketplace that deal with issues around public pension funds. People like NCPers, which is the largest group representing publics. But we also heard that as relates to labor, that there's a strong effort on behalf of some of the larger labor unions in the land to begin to look to create and expand upon the commitment where it already exists with diverse asset managers.
2X is kind of expected, that's a good turn. 3X, people are really excited. 4X, the category of winning, of receiving a 4X return is something that makes LPs like Ed Powers really, really happy.
It was a wonderful event, very well executed. There were a number of panels that were insightful. We also had a wonderful political panel, as you might imagine.
I was very honored by NAIC to be given the Chairman's Award, and we benefit from all of their input and focus in helping us produce the best emerging and transition manager strategies possible.
NAIC is an extremely important organization and conference for our industry. NAIC continues to promote and advocate on behalf of diverse asset managers around the country in both private equity and hedge funds. And this conference is tremendous because it does a great job of bringing together not only the diverse asset managers around the country, but also the institutional allocators who support the space. And so we're proud to support the conference, and we look forward to attending each year to address such critical issues as opportunity and access to capital.
An event like this is always great for connecting with investors. Many investors that I've worked with over the years are here. It's wonderful to see them and touch base. It's also a great opportunity to see other fund managers like myself, and there's often, after talking, you start to quickly, gravitate towards what sort of deals you're working on, which can then lead to actually doing business together and generating deal flow. So that's very productive as well.
These events are critical for us to gain insight and knowledge that we are always watching and looking at for possible investment as we take our emerging and transition manager programs forward.
This was an outstanding event for us. I really hope it was a great event for you. Please let us know any feedback you have, and thank you so much for attending the conference and supporting NAIC and each other. All the best.